I wonder what's in the box. Yes, so as the title suggests, we are talking about an action camera. It is the Flow and Form Eagle 4K. 4K. First, let me say this camera was given to me by the company to review it in exchange for the camera. But of course, I'm gonna still give my honest opinion. So the question is this the best action camera for the price? Let's go find out. So, the footage itself may be a little less than competitors, but for the price,
not too bad.
The sound doesn't capture as much. But typically you don't buy the action camera for sound anyways. The camera has a mode button on the front, a record button on the top with an indicator light, and a screen on the back. It has two buttons on the side for scrolling through the menus. On the left side, it has a micro USB, HDMI out, and a slot for a memory card. On the bottom is where the battery is stored. Unlike other action cameras, this comes with two batteries and a whole bunch of other stuff that's very useful. Now let's talk about the not so great thing.
The battery case.
When you open it up, the piece just falls out.
It falls out.
I just can't see a reason why this piece is not connected with this. Like a piece of rubber or string, duct tape.
Come on, guys.
It's the year 2018.
2018.
These should be connected. I shouldn't be losing the cap to the battery. But this doesn't really need the cap. You have a clear casing that goes over it, and it'll protect it from water, everything else. The camera still works without the case. And just so you know also, the battery needs to be inside the camera
To charge it.
It charges through USB, which is nice, but the battery needs to be inside the camera to charge it, which means only charging one battery at a time.
One battery at a time.
If you're in a crunch and you need both of them charged, might not happen. So in my opinion, for the price tag, everything it comes with, and two batteries, it's worth the price. So definitely something you should look into. If you do want to buy this, make sure to check out the link I put below.
Link below.
I'll have a special discount just for this week. It's totally worth it. It's up to you if you want to get this, if you want to get another camera. So that's my quick review. I hope you enjoyed it. Any questions, comment below. If you want to know any other information about this camera or what any of the other questions you have, concerns, let me know on the comments below. So as always, remember, spark a heart, change a life. See you next time. Bye. Eagle 4K. Eagle 4K.